Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the Steam download cache on your computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Steam application if it's not open, and then select the Steam tab up at the top left, and then select where it says Settings. Go ahead and select the Downloads section over on the left side, and now on the right it says Clear Download Cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting games. This will not affect your already installed games or saved games. Go ahead and select Clear Download Cache. This will clear your local download cache and you will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? You'd have to go ahead and select yes. You will have to relaunch the application. You'll have to re-enter back in your login credentials at this point, and that would be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.